Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download PixVerse AI videos. So this is just an easy step guys. So let's go to PixVerse AI and then let's go to discover and then let's search for anything you want. So for example, robot. And you just have to click which video you like. And then click the share button icon and then click download and then click MP4. So as you can see, it's still loading. So it says here that download complete. The download is complete. So let's see. Let's go to. So as you can see, guys, it's here in my gallery. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.